Military Occupational Specialty, Multi-Channel Transmission Systems Operator Maintainer. High-tempo combined arms actions require precisely coordinated movements and time-sensitive decision-making. None of this is possible without access to the right information at the right time.
Our job is to learn all of the systems within the signal world.
We work on electrical systems, we work on computer systems, we work on communications that travel over wire, communications travel through the air, through the stratosphere, through satellites, so that if one of them were to fail, others would be able to pick up the slack.
Due to the sensitive nature of communications, secret clearance is required for this MOS. Once you've been granted clearance, the Army will train you at Fort Gordon, Georgia, beginning with basic electronics theory and practices. You'll continue with hands-on training in the fundamentals of radio, satellite, and multi-channel transmissions, as well as the basics of field communications using mobile equipment. You'll also train to set up transmitters, receivers, cable modems, and ultra-high frequency antennas. Additional training will cover high-capacity line-of-sight, or HECLOS systems, satellite, and non-secure and secure internet protocol.
Anyone that comes out as MOS can be considered a jack of all trades. There's so many things you have to do and be proficient on it that there's no way you can't be a valuable part of any team.
You learn something different every single day compared to just focusing just on one thing.
It's an amazing experience to go out and work with teams and units and different nations.
In this MOS, you will be taught specific procedures for the use of satellite and radio communication assemblages, as well as the operation of primary and backup radio systems to provide redundancy across areas of coverage. Beyond this, you'll train in the security needed for transmitting sensitive communications. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you will serve in a unit dedicated to the delivery of reliable, timely communications. These taskings may be undertaken from a strategic location or a tactical position, as you oversee the infrastructure that allows assets in the field to update and inform commanders around the globe. Additionally, you may test signal strength or monitor other equipment for proper operation, as well as keeping technical records on system and component maintenance. As all of this technology requires power, you may also be required to establish and operate electrical generators while in the field. To further strengthen the Army's communication dominance, you may also emplace SATCOM transportable terminals, secure mobile anti-jam reliable tactical terminals, or tactical relay towers, all vital elements within the Army communication network. In the event of equipment failure, you will diagnose the malfunction, then replace affected circuit card assemblies, or even entire pieces of equipment. Serving in this MOS, you'll have the opportunity to apply for and earn certification and credentials through the Army's credentialing opportunities online, further assisting your transition from the military to the civilian employment sector.
If you want to go in the field of computer science, the field of communication, this is a great MOS. It can be a stepping stone depending on how you look at it.
Anything dealing with a wire or a signal or communication, you can pretty much work there.
So the opportunities are widely available. You just have to go out there and make an effort.
For individuals interested in electronics, this MOS is a unique opportunity to learn the principles and concepts of satellite and ground-based communications and apply them to enable and defend critical military communications. Military Occupational Specialty, Multi-Channel Transmission Systems Operator Maintainer.